Welcome back. Third and hopefully final video of this tutorial little series. So I just want to show you a couple of things that I have that I think might be helpful for you to see. So first, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the teacher end of student assignments. I can't show you the student end because I'm not a student in anybody's class, but I'll try to explain it to you as best I can. So you can see here in my stream all of my posted assignments. I created them and I posted them in classwork, but it also shows in their stream. So what I'm going to show you is this study guide 9C. Okay, so for me, this is what I see. I see here is the template that I created, and then over here are the kids that have turned it in and the ones that still have it assigned to them. When the kids come into this, they click on study guide 9C. And it comes to a page that looks similar. Nope, doesn't look like that. Hang on a second. It looks like this, except for over here, it has like a start assignment and it has their linked template over there. So it'll make more sense in just a second when I show you this. So if I click on student work, I can see here all of my students' assignments. So Eli Albright, study guide 9C. Levi Bollinger, study guide 9C. That's what it says for every kid with their name. And so when they open the assignment, they have a little box that says like start assignment, and they can click on it and it only has their individualized assignment. That's why it was important to click make a copy for each student when we were creating the assignment. So I can see who's turned it in and I can see who still is working on finishing it because they were absent or whatever. And I can go in and I can grade stuff and everything from here. I can show you how to do that individually if you want to know how to do that. So that's why it was important for us to click make a copy for each student when we were talking about assignments. Now, if you want to post PowerPoint presentations or Google Slides or anything for your kids to look at and watch while we're out of school, that's going to need to happen on this page where it's with the stream. So I just clicked, instead of being in classwork, I clicked over to at the top where I clicked stream. And here you see where it says share something with your class at the top of this stream. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click, I'm just going to type in what I'm giving them. So I'm going to say slides, chapter 7. Okay. And down here, I'm going to click on the add button. And because I know that that's in my Google Drive, I'm just going to click Google Drive. If you have a file saved to your computer that you want to share, you would click file. Okay. So I'm going to click Google Drive, and it's not something that I've done recently. And so instead of staying here in recent, I'm going to go over to where it says My Drive. And in My Drive, I'm going to type in History 6 because I know it's in my History 6 folder, and I'm going to click on that. Okay, so History 6 popped up as an option, and right here I have Chapter 7, Persia. So I'm going to double click on Chapter 7 Persia, and it adds that to the post that I was making in my stream. And then I'm going to click post. Once I click post and it finishes and posts, all my students can see that in their stream. So they'll be able to look at those slides, read over them, see the maps, all that stuff. Now, say I wanted them to read a website. Okay, so I want them to read about the Gettysburg Address. So up here at the top, I already have the website pulled up. I want them to read this and write me 3 paragraphs about the Gettysburg Address. I'm going to click on the web address, right click, and then copy it. Then I'm going to come back to my History 6 tab where it says share something with your class. I'm going to type Gettysburg Address. I'm going to click add again.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Did you know that Geico could help with your homeowner's insurance?
Turn off the sound of that.
Cookies. Oh, it's my...
I'm going to click link, and then I'm going to paste the link there, add link, and post. And then my kids can read that website.